The world eats billions of them every year. Crispy, salty, and addictive. But how do we turn a dirty potato into the perfect golden chip? Let's find out.
It starts with the raw tuber. Trucks deliver 50 tons a day. They take a bath in a giant flume to wash away the field dirt and rocks.
Pressure. No knife needed. High-pressure steam blasts the skin loose in seconds. Rubber brushes gently scrub it away, leaving the potato perfectly naked and ready to slice.
Centrifugal force pushes the potatoes against razor-sharp blades. In a blink, they are transformed into thousands of paper-thin slices.
Before frying, the starch must go. A cold water bath washes it away, ensuring the chips don't stick together or turn brown in the fryer.
Into the inferno. The slices float through a river of vegetable oil at 375 degrees. The water boils off instantly, replaced by crispy crunch.
Advanced electronic eyes scan the flying chips. Any slice that is burnt or discolored gets blasted out of the line with a precision puff of air.
This is the flavor station. A curtain of seasoning rains down on the hot chips. The rotating drum ensures every single curve gets coated in delicious dust.
The multi-head weigher is the brain. It calculates the perfect combination of chips to match the exact weight, dropping them in a split second.
The bag is formed around the chips. Before sealing, nitrogen gas is pumped in to flush out oxygen. This creates an air cushion to protect the chips and keeps them fresh for months. Robotic arms gently pick up the delicate bags and pack them into cartons. They are ready to be shipped to supermarkets around the world.
From a muddy potato to the perfect crunch. That's the journey of your favorite snack. Thanks for watching PCFI Process. Don't forget to subscribe for more tasty engineering.